I'm out here all alone. Yeah, that's okay. Most of the time I don't know where I'm going. When I get there, yeah, I know I'm gonna feel right at home. You know my verses, know my cursing at my telephone. I hear them calling, yeah. But I ain't hearing it, I'm out here trying to take it slow. But I ain't stopping, yeah. Cause I ain't got the time, yeah, I got somewhere else to go. And I'm just trying to get somewhere. Yeah, I'm just trying to get somewhere. When I get there, I'm gonna ditch these clothes. No more suits and ties.
How's it going, everybody? Welcome to sunny Southwest Florida in Naples. My name is Devine. I'm the owner and sole proprietor here at Devine Concepts. A little bit about me: I've been in the industry now for just about 20 years, and I've been here at my current location, which is my shop, Devine Concepts, for about 2.5. I'd have to say that my install specialty would have to be troubleshooting and diagnostic. Albeit maybe not a favorite for most people, it's actually something that I tend to really enjoy. Whether it's utilizing OBD scan tools, O-scopes, audio signal meters, digital multimeters, or even classic style RTA, having the knowledge and background to effectively utilize the correct test equipment ensures that I can identify, isolate, and eliminate any issue that may arise during an install or post-install. So my install philosophy comes from Hunter S. Thompson, who said, anything worth doing is worth doing right. And from the front of the business to the back of the house, I try and push that philosophy into everything that I do. So if I had to name some installation professionals that have inspired me over the years, I'd have to say Chris Bula, Todd Ramsey, Brian Schmidt, JG Torres, Matt Schaefer, TJ Carlson, Milton Benavides, Dalton Trainer, Matt Vowell, Chris Pate, and realistically the list could go on and on and on and on. There's millions of people in our industry, guys and girls that have contributed to our industry that really I look up to on a daily basis and network with these folks as much as I possibly can to help inspire me and keep me growing and moving in the right direction. So how would my coworkers describe me? Me being a sole proprietor, I have no other coworkers, so it's just me. But my clients, they all seem to describe me the same, which is very OCD, high level of attention to detail, and very customer service driven. So what would I have to say my biggest struggle has been personally and professionally in the past year is actually juggling the amount of growth that Devine Concepts has taken on over the past year. We've actually done very well. Business has doubled, traffic has doubled, revenue has doubled, everything is going in the right directions, everything's going well. But being a sole proprietor, having to manage my time effectively, whether it's personal or professional time, has been a struggle. There's a lot of stuff on my plate, from being the owner and sole proprietor and installer and fabricator and salesman and all of the above, wearing multiple hats. It's been challenging, but it's been extremely rewarding as well. So what would I want my clients to remember about their experience in install here at Devine Concepts? For me, it's important that they have a concierge service from the second they walk through the door through the day that we finish their install and give them an art demo at the end. We want them to be 100% comfortable and confident in their purchase and in their install, that they leave here happy, as well as absolutely zero buyer's remorse, educated on how to use their new technology, and ensure that they have the best experience possible. So why do I feel that I should be part of the top 50 installers? For me, knowledge, growth, and giving back to the industry are three key elements that I try and incorporate in my daily business rhythm. Here are a few examples of my professional growth and accomplishments that have transpired over the past year. I taught myself how to weld. Taught myself upholstery and how to do industrial sewing. I learned how to design and write software for Arduino in the programming language C, so that way we can make servo motors turn on and off with the ignition for hidden panels or hidden displays or controllers, making it fully digital and automated. I was able to volunteer for MECP as a subject matter expert and become a contributing writer for the MECP Basic Study Guide, 4th edition. And last but not least, I was able to attend CES out in Las Vegas this year as the recipient of the MECP Technician of the Year Award, where I got to share the stage with John Ivey, Aaron Demers, and Chris Bula. And our run through, so here's our parking lot in front of the shop. Our front, if we come into the shop here, off to the left, we've got our client waiting area, mini fridge, and some snacks. We've got our Echo Master display, Audio Frog, Hertz, Phoenix Gold, Rockford, and Marine display. We've got a slideshow going of installs that we've done. We've got our consultation area to sit down with clients. We have plaques from being in the Mobile Electronics magazine. MECP Tech of the Year Award, Top 50 Installers 2019, and MECP certificates, and our banner. Back to the bay. If we go off to the left here, we've got our woodworking and fab area. We have 3 different router lifts, router bits, templates, all down the wall. Then we've got our saw stop table saw, snap-on battery tender, metal fab and welding, drill press, desktop computer, laser and CNC, dust collection, and yep, we're still making face shields for COVID in the hospitals, 60-gallon air tank. Over to the other side of the bay, we've got our built-in tool storage and workbench. We've got all of our accessories, wire spools, tech flex, power station, solder station, Aussie iron. We've got slop sink, vacuums. We've got industrial sewing machine and upholstery section. And we've got our wood storage and hydraulic press, water, restroom, and dartboard. Work hard, play hard. And as far as other tools, we've got screw guns, panel tools, picks and awls, panel tools, crimpers, pliers, screwdrivers and torques, wire feeding tools, razor knives and Allen keys, precision screwdrivers, radio keys, more screwdrivers, and keychains and tags. We've got test equipment, so O-scopes, meters, measuring and layout, drill bits, unibits, Dremel, Arduino drawer, wire wheels and Dremel accessories, tap and dies. Then we've got old soldering irons, glue guns, files, SMD and nutsert tool, steering wheel puller, a audio control RTA, the SA4100, and the UMI mic. Then we've got sockets and wrenches, box wrenches, hammers. And that's it, guys. That's Devine Concepts, and I just want to go ahead and thank Chris Crook, Solomon Daniels, everybody involved with MEA for the opportunity for us to make these videos, do the awards, highlight our industry, and really take the time to kind of inspire everybody to work harder, do better, improve themselves. At the end of the day, knowledge is power. Always keep learning, always keep pushing yourself. Learn to do something better, learn something new, pick up a new trade, skill, anything. Just always keep improving yourself, and that's why I love the industry videos, and it always pushes you or gives you ideas on how you can improve and become better. So to MEA and the rest of the people in the industry, thank you guys. I appreciate everything you do, sharing the knowledge and wealth and everything. Everybody keep up the great work, and hope to see you at the next K-Fest.